friends, Mrs. Taima here, and I wanted to go over this part of the lesson with you a little bit more in depth. On this slide, it's talking about which equation doesn't belong. Is there anything that you notice about the equations that you see on this slide? What is something you maybe notice? Looking at A, it says 10 equals blank plus 4. B says 10 equals blank plus blank. C says blank equals 10 minus 6. And D says 6 plus blank equals 10. Is there anything that you notice about those equations? Something I notice is that A, B, and D all equal 10. Do you notice that C, we don't know what that equals quite yet, but we see that we have the equation 10 minus 6. Well, if I have 10 and I take away 6, I know that I have 4 left. So here I would type the answer 4. Now that we know the answer to C is 4 equals 10 minus 6, do you see something? You're right, C doesn't belong because all the other equations have a sum of 10, meaning the two digits, if you added them together, would equal 10. I want you to look through those equations here, and then I want you to, on this slide, you're going to write or type which equation doesn't belong and why we talked about it doesn't belong. And then looking on to the next one, similarly, we can talk about how are these equations the same and how are they different? Well, we already talked about what kinds of problems A, B, and C are, A, B, and D are. We talked how they are all addition problems. What do you notice about C? How is it different? So that is what you will type for your synthesis here and here, talking about how they're the same and how they are different. All right, friends, I hope that helped explain things a little bit. And I looked through the rest of the slides, and I know, make sure you watch slide number 7, the video right here. It will really help explain what they're looking for when they ask you to write two equations that represent the story problem. All right, I can't wait to see all your hard work.